Good morning. The time is currently 4:39 AM. There's two of them, two fours. Where we're going, mate?
On our way to Essex, mate.
Gonna go pick a new car up. So we'll and we've got the
essentials.
The essentials. We're gonna go pick up a new motor. So we'll keep you updated. So there we go. That's our mode of transport for today. Tom knows this. When you pick up a car with this legend here, we play, what do we play?
Fuel roulette, I like to call it.
Fuel roulette.
So we've got 22 miles until we get to the service station. We have 25 miles in the tank, so normally we should be good. But
we have a trailer. We have a trailer. So we might be on the side of the motorway, so we might ask Paul P to come get us in his AA van. Right guys, here we go. Alex, the DJSC, has got a new mini shell. I apologise for the lack of video from yesterday, footage from yesterday. I was caught up in the moment. I was very excited. One, about new mini shell. Two, about meeting Mini Dobby. I've got some videos and pictures that I'll throw in at the end of this video. So let's see what I've bought. I'll flip the camera around and you can have a look. So guys, I've come inside the Puma, so it's a bit quieter because it's a bit windy out there and I'm not sure if you can hear me properly. So, what have I been up to? Well, my little boy now, baby Zach, is 7 weeks, coming up 8 weeks old. So, absolutely beautiful, healthy, which is what you want. Holly loves him, he's a great addition to the family. And that's it, we're stopping, no more. Two, one of each, we're done. So that's the family situation sorted. Puma, can't ignore it because I've been spending far too much time on this thing recently. We've missed quite a few track days, which is frustrating. The thing has decided that it just won't start. Turns over, it's just a pain. It's just a pain. I've replaced sensors. We think possibly timing might be out by a tooth, but timing's not my game, so it's something I'm going to have to learn. So, well, this we're going to fix, and we're going to have to fix because it needs to go out on track. That's what we bought it for. But I'm spending far too much time on this little thing at the moment, and it's getting frustrating, shall we say. Next, red mini shell. Red mini shell is going up for sale. Some people will be happy. Some people, I hope people understand. I think that's the main thing. That shell is a lot of work for me to take on. Learning how to weld and do little bits is fine. Full floors, arches, inner wings, boot floors, everything. You know, you've all seen the videos of that. So that is up for sale. It's got VIN numbers, it's got a logbook. So whatever someone wanted to use it for, they can do. Someone wants to make it in trailer, someone wants to put it back on the road if you're brave enough. There's many options there for you. So if you are interested in that, give me a shout. So yeah, this brings me on to the white one. I bought that from Essex Mini, Chris. Most of you probably are aware of that already if you've got my other social medias. I'll put them in the link in the description so you can click on them and hopefully follow me on there. So, it's a 90, it's a P reg. I think, does that make it 97? I think I can't remember. I've not checked the logbook. It's a P reg. It's an SPI shell, but it will be getting a carb engine because that's what I've got. Still, I've got to, you know, budget, things like that. I've got to make it as feasible as I can. Got 90% of the parts I think I need to finish that, to get that on the road. Oh, before I go, a few people have mentioned on Facebook they're upset that Welding Man won't be coming. Well, no, Welding Man's still around. I've sent out the beacon and he's responded. So he's aware of the new shell. He's aware it needs, obviously, the 3 things that I mentioned. It also needs a front end, guys. So he's not going anywhere. He's going to be back, but I think he's going to be a lot happier that he's not attempting that thing in the garage. So again, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Good to see it. Good to see it in the daylight now.
Yeah.
Last time it was an accident, wasn't it?
All 4 wheels as well, 3 tags. It's dirty though, it's been out the school. I saw it at the show, didn't even know. We've got the lakeside pitch next year. Yeah. So it's spitting out some shit. That's covered in it. All the crap.